So, with winter days fast approaching, it's time to figure out some solutions for the cold weather. Now, if you're conscious about your energy bills, sometimes heating a small room or just the area of the house is more economical than keeping the house at the same temperature with your larger furnace. And let's say, like me, I run a wood pellet stove in the main room and I use electric heaters as supplementary heating for the nights in the far end of the house bedrooms. So this helps me keeps my bills manageable. And this time I chose this space heater because it has a remote. It's oscillating. It's a tower that sits on the floor. It doesn't take up a shelf or table space. And it has a 12-hour timer. And it's ceramic heating, which heats immediately. So if you need to warm up a room or bathroom or bedroom quickly, this will do the job. So I usually like to keep my room at like 68 to 70 degrees at night, and this does it. And does it quietly, efficiently, and being oscillating, moving around while I'm working at my computer desk. I could feel the heat, get the air moving, and it's just a nice touch. Comes with a remote with two AAA batteries that are not included, and it's got a little handle on it so you can move it around. The heating coverage is 200 square feet, and it's about 1500 watts. And I could sleep with it because it's only about 32 dBs of noise. So it has smart tip over protection, overheat protection, 12-hour timer, has a 24-hour automatic power off. This way, if you forget to turn it off when you leave the house for a long time, it will turn off. Don't only be energy efficient, be comfortable this winter by picking up one of these and put in your cart and buy with confidence.